Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on lighting, backlight light, backlit lighting, just to make things more realistically. No Photoshop coloring, if it's too contrast bright, for example, if it has to be black and with alpha with a bit lower. So far, 9% is maybe the best, but it's not that good with this one because it's better. It looks like SpongeBob construct, a bit cartoonish. But for the other one, well, other over drawings, maybe better to have contract with it. I mean, not have that much contrast. Maybe better to have backlight in color with it. So um, so it looks more realistic. Maybe 9% again, I guess. So it looks a bit more realistic. But I think maybe contrast a bit, SpongeBob a bit better looking because simply my coloring is too cartoonish, so I might leave it there. But this is having some hints on photoshopping. Is that lighting, backlit lighting, maybe it's for foreground. Um, it's maybe more makes it more realistic if it's have a bit of black to it with everything, so it's not too bright and it looks like SpongeBob cartoon style. But for me, it's mostly SpongeBob. Maybe it looks better to keep it that way. So just keep it this way. So I think I should save as this now as I kind of finish this. Uh, in picture two. So basically, my wallpaper what looks like. Um, so basically, my wallpaper will looks like this. See, it might look like really fairy tale, SpongeBob, I guess. So I'm trying to tell you that this is not really a form of backlit lighting to make it more realistic, but it's more like really copyright and contrast ideas maybe is better. So thank you.